here to show you Jacquard's marbling kit today. This is the kit that I use when I teach my marbling classes because it is so easy and it is extremely versatile. It's great for paper and it's also formulated for fabric. So I'll show you some cool stuff you can make from that kit. One are cards. These are photo frame cards made by Strathmore. So after you've marbled a piece of paper, simply slip that into the little photo frame and you can put it into a frame, mount it on your wall, or send it off to a loved one as a thank you or thinking of you card. A great little way to brighten up someone's day. You can also hang larger pieces on the wall. Heavier weight fabrics are great for stretching. So this is a piece that I've stretched on stretcher bars, just like a canvas. And now I can hang it on my wall. So it's great for making big stuff too. You just need a bigger tray if you're going to marble a big piece. I mentioned that these are great for fabric, and that is one thing that's unique to this kit. The paints don't change the hand of the fabric. They remain soft. So I can marble things like silk and get these beautiful delicate lines and still have the silky smoothness of the silk up against my skin. This is a great way to make something that you can wear and show off your artwork. Marbling silk is loads of fun. You can also marble cotton. Of course, it is fantastic and it has a lot of possibilities depending on the thread count that you get. The tighter the thread count, the more crisp your print's going to be. So getting a high thread count is preferable when you're marbling on a fabric. Now this piece of cotton, now that I've marbled it, I can make it into so many different things. If I'm great at sewing, I might want to make it into a garment. If I'm just starting out, making things like little pouches by adding a zipper is a great way to make a gift or something that you can use for yourself. Now is a time when we're all seeing masks. And masks are a really great thing that you can make out of these marbled materials. It adds a little bit of artistic brightness to a situation that maybe isn't so bright. So this is another great thing that you can do with your marbling kit, is to make some masks. You can also think 3D with your fabric stuff. If you have a white canvas shoe, an umbrella, a fan, or maybe a hat, you can marble those too. You just have to soak them in the alum solution like the instructions say, let it dry, and then roll it across and you make the print. This kit doesn't stop at fabric. It doesn't stop at paper. You can go three-dimensional with it. Look around your house, look outside, see some different things that you might want to marble. The key here is to find something that's porous. So it needs to be able to hold the paint. This is a leaf. It took the paint really well. So cool, right? You can put it on leaves, rocks, feathers, all kinds of cool stuff. Even hard surfaces work well too. Something porous like wood is fantastic for marbling. If it has a matte finish to it, it probably has enough texture to hold a marbled print. So here's a motorcycle helmet that I masked off using masking tape and then rolled it across my tray, and now I have a print. So I tell you what, there are 1,000,001 different things that you can marble. I hope that you found some inspiration so that you can take your marbling to the next level and marble some really cool stuff using Jacquard's marbling kit.